Croatian AB to Embark 949, €2,850 net, 8 weeks on board, on and off, and we are only going to be paid whilst on board, but we are going to have on top of that Social Security Italian. Joining and disembarking will be either in Italy or in Spain. Very close to Croatia is Italy. Therefore, if you are sailing now in the South Atlantic, in the North Atlantic, whatever, Indian, Pacific, think about this opportunity very close to your home, to your family, and then we are talking about ABs with the 2.5 certification, experience on board the ROPAX. If you are on board the cruise and you're so tired about let's have a photo, boom, and so on. If you want a RORO with professionals on board, this trade, Mediterranean trade between eastern Spanish coast and the West Italy, it's a great opportunity for you. Like and subscribe, pass throughout your seafarers groups. These opportunities will grow because Europe is a huge disaster of everything. Even the electricity went off yesterday and our Prime Minister doesn't know why. And even if he did say the truth, which that's what we pay him for, then these are stones. They will not ever be able to solve that issue. Then the best way you can do is train yourself, get in the 2.5 if you are from fishing fleet, whatever, general cargo fleet, because these opportunities will grow. The ships are closer to your home. This is my job, ESG, corporate social responsibility, transparency. I am going to inform you, not like these politicians, about these opportunities. And because these 27 member states are running in different directions, they don't know because they're just stones. It's a great opportunity for you to apply in Candina, and thank you very much indeed for your time. Bye.